Hey guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use JoyaBuy. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, using JoyaBuy here is pretty simple because it's actually quite similar to other platforms that actually has this same business model. In this case, the first thing you want to do here is you want to go to their official website and you want to go and create your account. So usually at the top right of your screen, you should see a person icon. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, you now have the option to create your account. In this case, you could go ahead and basically continue manually here, or in this case, go and click on sign up first here. So you could either continue manually here by entering your details, or in this case, just click on register. Now, another way for you to create your account, you can go and click on continue with Google here, and basically start using your Google account as a means of using the platform itself. In this case, once the application, or in this case, the sign up process is complete, you should now be able to start using the platform itself. Now, in this case, what we need to do next here is we want to basically start looking for products that we want to buy. So in this case, we need to search for a product here. So for example, let's go and search for a shirt. Just press and enter. In this case, you also need to agree to your search terms here. Let's go and click on agree here. And from here, let's go and click on or type in shirt, click on search, and it should give you different products. Now, by the way, the products that you'll be seeing here are going to be from or in this case, from other platforms. So just be worried about that. In this case, let's go and search for a product here. So maybe I want to search for a shirt. So just to give you an example, maybe we want to buy this product here. Let's go and click on it. What we need to do next here is we want to inspect the product itself. So in this case, it will give you some details about the product itself, like for example, the classifications here, the sizes, as you can see right now. You could even buy different products here. So in this case, you could go and choose size here. So it only has one size, so just be wary of that. In this case, once you've chosen your size here, you could go ahead and choose a quantity and also leave a message here if you want specific instructions. Now in this case, you could go and click on the check agree option here, but you need to read the following details first. But let's go ahead and click on check agree here. And from here, you can go ahead and basically click on add to cart. Now you can do this for all products that you want to buy. Now in this case, also if you scroll down a bit here, you have further product details if you want to view them. Like for example, some photos here, some specification parameters, customer reviews, shopping agent guidelines, and after sales services if you want. In this case, once you've added all your products, go ahead and click on the cart icon at the top right of your screen. In this case, go ahead and click on view cart. Now from here, what we need to do is we just need to basically proceed with the payment. In this case, you go and click on the submit order at the bottom right here. In this case, it will redirect you to another page, which in this case, you need to read a few things. So first is you need to read the disclaimer here. So in this case, go and click on confirm once you've done that. Now, what we need to do here is we now need to select a few details. So since the model for JoyaBuy here is they actually send the products from the product itself is from China, and they will send that to a specific country's warehouse, which in this case, once they arrive in the warehouse, you should be able to receive some photos and basically do quality check on the product itself. Now in this case, once the products the products have been reviewed or you approve the products, they will be sent to you or shipped to you. In this case, you could go ahead and change a few things here, like for example, the destination country. So I've chosen Australia here. You change that. Now in this case, if you want added services like extra photos for your products here, you could go and add them and add specifications or details or description on how you want it to be photographed. And in this case, you should also be able to see the pricing itself. Now in this case, you should also agree to the following statements. So in this case, you can go and read the appropriate ones if you want to by clicking on the appropriate links. In this case, you could go and click on proceed to checkout to proceed with the payment. Now in this case, in the next page, it's going to ask you your address and the payment method that you want to use. So you can use either of the following. So your current balance, either debit or credit card here, crypto payment, Alipay, or Skrill here, depending on your account. In this case, once you've chosen your payment method here, you can go ahead and click on continue to payment here, fill out all the necessary information. And in this case, the following, or in this case, the products will then be processed, which in this case, they'll be sending this to a warehouse and you just need to wait for some confirmation and some photos on the warehouse itself. And you need to approve that and they will be shipped to you. Now, also, you might also need to basically indicate what courier you want to use for your service here. So it would actually be dependent on the courier that you'll be using. So the prices may differ and the length that you, or in this case, the days that you need to wait for you to actually receive your products might differ depending on the courier. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.